In this video, I'm going to be going over how to hide WordPress version number step by step. Hiding and removing the WordPress version number from showing is a quick and easy process. I'll be providing you with the code to hide the WordPress version from showing, along with how to hide the WordPress version number from RSS feeds and meta tags, and removing the WordPress version number from scripts and styles. By the end of this video, you will successfully have the WordPress version number hidden and removed from showing. Let's get started. To start, I'm in the WordPress dashboard. In the left side menu, hover over the Tools tab and click Theme File Editor. A heads up notification will show. Click the I Understand button. Next, in the right under Theme Files, find the functions.php and click it. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, click on the last line and skip a line. I provide a link in the description with the codes we want to input here to hide and remove the WordPress version number from showing. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on this document page here. I'll copy this first one. I'll go back to WordPress and I'll paste it in. I'll now go back to the document and copy the second code, which will hide the WordPress version number from the RSS feeds and meta tags. I'll head back over to WordPress. I'll skip a line. I'll paste in the code. I'll now go back to the document and copy the third code showing which will remove the WordPress version number from scripts and styles. I'll go back to WordPress and skip a line and paste in the code. Next, click the Update File button. The WordPress version number has now been successfully hidden and removed from showing. That is how to hide WordPress version number. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.